Good morning, it's Monday, March 10th, and last week I made a couple videos about how USCIS abruptly updated forms for adjustment of status, U visas, T visas, advanced parole documents, T visas, and essentially gave no warning or no grace period in switching over to the new form. And as a result, there was a fear of rejection of these forms for people who had submitted, prior to the announcement date because they backdated the form date to inauguration date. And so a lawsuit was filed by ALA as well as in conjunction with a private law firm regarding this and, challenging the legality of it without giving us a grace period. And in response, the day later, USCIS essentially published a grace period. In other words, those forms that were made public on March 3rd, 2025 are now going to be implemented no later than April 3rd, 2025. In other words, you have another month or so to transition over. During this period, you can submit both versions of the form. So if you already have the old form prepared, you can still submit that up until April 3rd, 2025. So thank you to ALA for filing this lawsuit and to the firms that helped in litigate. It didn't take much litigation, only a day, and USCIS complied and has now afforded us this grace period.